Want to build a PC? Well, these are going to be all the components you're going to need. First up, we got the motherboard, the main printed circuit board, and think of this as a big PCB where all your components and external peripherals connect. CPU, the central processing unit, this is the brains of the PC. Now we're going to have to throw a CPU cooler on that. Liquid or air is fine, and some CPUs actually come with their own cooler. Now the most important component is the GPU. If you're going to do any kind of gaming or rendering, you're going to need a graphics card, definitely. RAM, random access memory, this is where short-term memory is stored and your CPU actually needs this. Storage, where all your games and files are going to be saved. And the power supply, this is how all your components will get powered on.